In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks Online with HoneyBook and sync your data efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your financial tracking and client management processes, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. Start by logging into both QuickBooks Online and HoneyBook on your computer. These two platforms are powerful tools on their own. QuickBooks Online helps you manage your accounting needs, while HoneyBook excels in project management and client communications. Combining them will save you time and reduce manual entry errors by automating data syncing. Now, once you're inside HoneyBook, navigate to the Integrations section. This is where you'll find various apps that HoneyBook can connect to, facilitating seamless communication between your tools. Look for QuickBooks in this list because that's our focus today. Selecting QuickBooks will present an option to connect, so go ahead and click Connect to QuickBooks. You'll then be directed to sign in with your QuickBooks Online credentials. Make sure you have that information handy to avoid any delays. This login step is crucial as it permits HoneyBook to access your QuickBooks data securely. If you're managing multiple user access, ensure that you're following the necessary privacy protocols to protect your accounts. After you've logged in, the next screen will guide you through authorizing access. This step establishes a secure handshake between HoneyBook and QuickBooks Online, ensuring that both parties can exchange data without any security breaches. Take a moment to review the permissions being requested. Understanding these permissions not only keeps your data secure, but also ensures that the integration functions as expected. The next part involves choosing your export and sync options. These options determine how and which data points will be shared between the two platforms. You might see choices for exporting invoices, payments, or even client information. Choose the ones that best fit your business needs. For example, if you want your transactions to automatically populate in QuickBooks, select that export option. Doing so will help you maintain an accurate and up-to-date financial overview without having to re-enter data manually. Once these choices are made and confirmed, the integration will begin. From here, your data will sync automatically according to the settings you've established. This means every piece of information will now flow seamlessly between HoneyBook and QuickBooks Online, allowing you to focus more on running your business and less on data entry. To wrap up, integrating QuickBooks Online with HoneyBook can be a game changer for your business efficiency. By following these straightforward steps, you establish the best savings